Can a laser make detailed artwork on mirrors? Yes. In this video, we will show you the full process of creating a Qilin frosted design directly on mirror glass by laser. This is not printing. This is not a sticker. This is direct laser frosting on the mirror surface. Many customers want to make customized patterns, logos, animals, cultural designs, and decorative artwork on mirrors or glass. In this video, we are using a Qilin design as an example to show how our mirror laser frosting and engraving machine works. This mirror laser frosting and engraving machine is suitable for many applications. Mirror factories can use it for customized bathroom mirrors and decorative mirrors. Glass processing factories can use it for frosted glass patterns and artistic glass products. Hotel decoration companies can use it for custom mirror projects. Gift companies can use it for personalized mirrors, cultural designs, wedding gifts, and home decoration projects. If you want to test your own design, send us your artwork file, mirror size, material information, and required effect. We can help you test the sample and recommend the suitable laser machine solution.